Next, did you ever get a hankering for a handful of goldfish? Not the kind that swim. I'm talking about the crackers. They're made by the thousands at the Pepperidge Farm factory in Denver, Pennsylvania, and we didn't need a net when we went on our tour, but we sure did catch a whole lot of these guys. Watch. In 1962, these crunchy little fish crackers swam into the hearts of kids and adults alike. 40 years later, Americans are lapping up goldfish with a vengeance. What's the secret to creating this fin munchie? Well, it all starts with combining the ingredients in large mixing machines. After it leavens, the dough is dumped down a long chute to a laminator machine, which flattens it. Then in sheets, it travels by conveyor belt to a large roller called a die. This is the moment of truth.
The most amazing, surprising, interesting thing about making goldfish is when the dies roll across the dough. Over 50 goldfish are made in just a fraction of a second. So as you look at it coming across the line, there's just thousands of goldfish in front of your face.
What a reproductive species. The fish are then salted, baked, and packaged. At least you know you won't find any fish bones.